Hello? Guys, today we're going to be unboxing a LOL Supplies Interactive Live Supplies, which has mystery accessories, 60 plus sounds. I'll respond to motion, sound, input. So let's get into the video. So these are the instructions.
And what's called?
This is what I got.
Oh, wow.
So her name is. So if you want to see the name of the pet, you go into the instructions. Her name is Poop Dog.
She is so pretty. Oh, I love the accessories on her head.
So, these are the accessories in a blindfold. And unwrapping the accessories. This is the first accessory. The second.
What's that? Let's see.
It's a cup.
Okay, it's a cup. All right.
And the second.
The third one. What does that? That look like pizza.
Yeah, it is a piece.
It's a pizza? Oh. All right, you're going to put them together?
Yeah.
All right.
So on the instruction, it says, so we got all the things. Good job. So it says, bedrooms. Hello?
She is the cutest.
He likes it.
That's the bottle.
Mm-hmm.
What's she eating?
Pizza. And she can move her arms. And you can turn it on and off. Say hey. He said hey. Say hey. So this is Duck. And make sure to like and subscribe.
What do you like about it?
The duck is so cute.
She's so cute to him. Yeah, speaker. Okay.
You can pet her. Likes it. But she wags her tail too. And I like her shoes because it's different colors. And this one's pink, this one's like orange. You can wag her tail too.
And what with the tail?
Yeah. And when I feed her food, she's gonna like it. I hope you enjoy my LLL Supplies Interactive Life Supplies unboxing video. Bye. Hope you like it and subscribe to my channel, Serena's World.
Thank you.
Thank you.